Shogatsu, everybody, and that means Happy New Year in Japanese, because today we are going to learn about the New Year in Japan. So if we look at our map, the star is where we are in the United States, and Japan's all the way over here in the red. It's an island. So the Japanese New Year, just like us, they celebrate it on January 1st, but sometimes they start celebrating it a few days earlier, and then they continue celebrating it for a few days after. One big tradition in the Japanese culture around New Year is they do a lot of cleaning of their house because they want to get their house ready for the new year and the new things that will happen. Also, they believe that their deity, which is kind of like a god, will enter their house if it's clean to give them good luck in the new year. Some of the foods that they eat in the new year in Japan, you might have seen these in our grocery store. They're called soba noodles. They're buckwheat noodles that they make, and they have them in broth typically. These are also some pictures of some food that they have in bonito boxes, which are these boxes with lots of little different things in there like sushi. This picture down here is quail eggs. They eat a lot of quail eggs at the new year for good luck. And lastly, in Japanese culture, it's very important to go to the temple to pray and give thanks to the different deities or the different gods that they have. So this is a Japanese temple here. At midnight, when it's the new year, when it's officially January 1st, every temple has a bell kind of like this one, and they ring it 108 times. So every single temple will ring that bell 108 times. Must be pretty loud. They also will go spend some time in their garden, and they have very intricate, very beautiful gardens in Japan, and they'll go there with their family and spend some time with them during the new year. Well, I hope you learned a lot about Japanese culture during the new year.